You can't make your face look like this, honey. What are you doing? Make it make sense. What are you doing? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something super cute and super simple, and this is like the basic to every makeup, and I'm gonna be teaching you exactly how to achieve a look as simple as this. If you're a girl, it's very important for you to be able to make your face slay like this. It's not every time you should be calling up makeup artists. Sometimes when you go on a vacation, do you carry your makeup artist along? No, yeah? So of course you should know how to do this particular makeup, and that is why this video exists, to make things easy for you. I know you need it. Anyways, so much talking, let's get right into it. So definitely to start, I have to get my hair out of the way. Follow every detail because I just want to be soaked in the moment of showing you all this. Oh yeah, getting started. This is me getting my hair out of the way, and here we are, bare face. Everything is clear. You can see me with lashes to show that this is really a very simple makeup. Starting off with a primer. This is a very important step, and you cannot afford to lose it. You can't afford to miss it out. And if you have an oily skin, you can go in with a very much matte primer. For me, I'm going in with a glowing skin primer to keep my skin glowing underneath the makeup, and to grab any other product I'll be applying on top of it. Gently massage my face, and here getting into the brows straight away. Usually I use this hair wax to just slick my brows down, and then I use a translucent powder to hold it down and absorb the extra oil. It is no new thing that I use just black pencil for my brows, and I just extend it. And now I'm using two concealers, one for my skin tone and 3 shades lighter than my skin tone. The lighter one for the bottom. As you can see, babes, this is how you should do your brows, okay? This is how you should do your brows because it's super easy, super fast, and very, very accurate. And then I go in with my skin tone foundation or perhaps concealer. I need to use for the upper part of my brows. Well, watch out the type of brushes I'm using, okay? Because they're very, very important. You see this brush, I'm just using it to like blend out the harsh lines, very important. And this is our brow set, going in with my foundation, giving it a little dots on my face, not putting a lot. I love this foundation. I use it for concealer as well because it's very lightweight. Like, it's very, very lightweight, and you can put a lot more products on top of it and it will not move. It's very good, gives you full coverage, lightweight. It's just perfect. And now I'm using this case. It has a few shades in it. My contour is there as well, and your contour should be like 2-3 shades darker than your skin tone. And these are the places where you should apply your contour, my loves. This is exactly it, to have that very smooth and perfect shadow blend. And you see this brush as well, it's perfect for your contour, and you can use it to blend your blush as well. Look at the one I use for the nose, okay? If you don't have these brushes, I think it's high time you updated your brushing set, okay? Yep, this is me blending out the nose because nose contouring is a must. I'm applying the products one after the other, and look at exactly where I'm putting the products, putting them one after the other because it makes it easier for you to grasp every single step. If I could just apply it all and start blending, you might not get it. Here is the concealer. This brightening concealer is 3 shades lighter than my skin tone. You can use 2 shades or even 1 shade. It's just depend on how bright you want your highlight to look. Usually I love my under eye super bright and super nice, so I go in with this. And if you want to have that sleek face, go in for a brightening concealer and blend it just as I am doing. To make the products stay in one place, I am taking my time to blend them out, and you should do so as well. And going in with a beauty blender to just blur out those harsh lines, because no matter how many products you put on your face, how many layers, you need to make sure there are no harsh lines between them. And I go in with a brush as well to just
make it settled and just cute. You can see how they all blended into each other. Now I'm going in with my pressed powder just to use under my eye or any other part of my face where it's highlighted, to just avoid creasing. We're not baking yet, okay? And now I got this palette for this perfect bronze shade. It works perfectly on me, and you should get a bronze that is like 3 shades darker than your skin tone as well. And you can use it to contour your nose. Nose contouring is very important because it just gives you a perfect nose shape, and it gives that body makeup effect, and you shouldn't leave that out, especially when we're talking about blush. You grab it, dab off the excess on your hand, and then apply it. There's no such thing as too much blush, because if you love it, keep doing it, keep applying it. And now it's time for the baking. Using this ZKL powder, dapping up the excess at the back of my hand, and now just going into my highlighting areas first. I apply them here, I apply the powder here all over, and now just set the remaining part of my face because it's very important. And for the eyeshadow, we're not doing eyeshadow, babes. You know what time it is. So I'm just going in now with a black eyeshadow to line my eyes. If you're learning how to do makeup, you do not need all of those products. And as I said before, this is a basic makeup. This is a basic body makeup, and you don't need all of those products or eyeshadow colors to get it right. I just want to show you how to get your face slick and looking all cute and nice on a daily basis, like every time, the simplest of all. And we keep aside the eyeshadow. This is how you should do your eyes, okay? And then go in with your under eye liner. Black one most preferable because it gives you the perfect eye shape. And you can decide to go into your inner corner to just extend it to give it like that body effect. But if you cannot, you can let it go. I did the other side a bit longer, so I'm just gonna let it dry off. And moving forward with my mascara, it's a must step. Do not avoid it because it makes all the freaking difference. And now I'm going ahead to just blend the entire face with a little cute brush. Just blend everything out. And of course, it's time for the highlight. So cute, so nice. That's where you should apply it too. So yeah, my eyeliner was set and ready. Quickly adjusted it, and now sprayed the face nicely to like grab all of those products and make them stay in place for as long as I want to. It surprises me a little when I see people not knowing how to do their lips rightly. Anyways, look at this particular lip application. I just went over it with a liner. If you have a lips liner, it works perfectly as well. And this little cute lipstick, apply any one of your choice and just blend it out just like this. Just smack your lips. It's simple as that. Because we don't need those harsh lines, okay? To make the color a little neutral and more nude, not so much pink like, I had to go in with like a nude shade, applied it, put the lip gloss. I'm a fan of lip gloss. So even if you love matte lips, it's important for you to still apply lip gloss from time to time because it keeps your lips moisturized and it's nice. Yeah, you're not gonna have cracked lips if you're always in your glossy era, and that's what we're here for, honey. It puts the entire look together. I will all done. Look at how this came out. I bet you want to step out every single day looking like this, right? Not too much, not dramatic. I mean, just the right amount of beauty, just the right amount of makeup you have on, and you can take this anywhere. You can go anywhere looking like this. So yeah, that said, babes, I hope you learned something and you step out every time looking at your best. Thank you, and see you on my next video. Mwah. Bye.